Do you want to take your website and business to the next level with WordPress? Curious to know? Let's get started.
Hey, welcome to the Panda Reviews, and this is David, and as a team we make sure to review the genuine products in the markets so that our customers does not fall into the spam and fake product. We have done enough research with our team about every product, so you can trust 100% our reviewing product. And if you face any struggle, just comment down below. Our team will address the issues as soon as possible. So don't skip the video, watch till the end, you will get a big surprise bonuses. In the middle from our team Panda. Yes, you get bonuses from Panda. How? If you purchase the product from the official link at a discounted price that is mentioned below, you will get the free bonuses from Team Panda. Yes, but how? Just take the screenshot of your purchased product from the link mentioned below and send it to the official Instagram handle of Panda mentioned below in the description. And now let's jump into the subject.
Grab this Stupendous Advanced WordPress Master Kit HD video training course to create beautifully designed and aesthetically pleasing WordPress sites without any coding or tech skills. Very few things have disrupted the digital marketing scene as greatly as WordPress has in the last decade. WordPress is the best known and most widely used content management system for creating websites. It was founded in 2003 and has since found millions of users and fans along the way. Thanks to the platform's free and simple content management system, it made it possible for anyone, regardless of levels of technical knowledge, to create impressive websites. This possibility is boosted further by the seemingly endless library of themes and plugins. That's why, when it comes to the most downloaded software in the world, WordPress is right there at the top. To put it further into perspective, let's take a look at some stats. 41% of the web is built on WordPress. Looking at websites built with a CMS alone, WordPress powers a whopping 64.1%. Over 455 million websites use WordPress. There are 24.8 million live WordPress sites. 41.7 million posts are published every month on WordPress. 409 million people view 15.4 billion pages every month. The most popular WordPress theme has earned more than $30 million. The average pay for WordPress developers is $53,000. People around the world are making a living through WordPress, and there are a lot of opportunities for developers to help businesses build sites with pleasing design and high functionality. The possibility boosted even further during this COVID-19 pandemic crisis. As the coronavirus circles the world, it is impacting the WordPress industry overall. The web development industry boomed, as well as the e-commerce industry. Businesses that stayed alive needed cheaper ways to communicate and turned to websites, and many people who lost their jobs started their own companies. Many of those people needed online stores. Providing a WordPress specialists have a unique opportunity to help these traditional brick-and-mortar businesses prepare themselves for the online world during this crisis. There are still so many small business owners that do not have a functional website or the means to set one up. The power of WordPress is the flexibility it offers through third-party plugins and themes to quickly get something online that can actually help an owner's bottom line right now. And business owners are ready to pay for it. Web developers are charging anywhere between $5 to $5k for a fully functional WordPress site that generates great results. This is the only way they can keep their business afloat, and a golden opportunity for you to create result-oriented sites for them and get paid handsomely. But the problem is, you don't know how to use WordPress. Although, there's no need to have coding knowledge while creating your own website with WordPress, it's a little bit intimidating to operate if you are not tech-savvy. With all its themes, plugins, and add-ons, it can be a little bit overwhelming to understand how the platform works and how you can leverage its full potential to get optimum results. Well, we have put together all the resources you need to get started with WordPress quickly and easily. Just grab our comprehensive, step-by-step Advanced WordPress Master Kit HD video training course. This course will explain everything you need to know about WordPress and website creation. From how to install WordPress, customize site settings, to post and page editors, Block WordPress editor and Gutenberg WordPress editor. We have included every single thing. Use this course to create stunning websites using WordPress and strengthen your brand online. Introducing Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit. Module number 1 - Step-by-Step Training Videos. You'll get 20 chapters of step-by-step training videos that will show you exactly how to make WordPress work for you to create engaging, attractive, and professional-looking websites without having a lick of coding knowledge. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Inside you'll get. Check out the demo have posted here. Click the link below for further. 20 chapters are 20 chapters are there. Module number 2. Premier Training Guide on Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit. This guide will walk you through every step and information you need to set up your own WordPress site, securely and efficiently. We have included everything you need to know about WordPress and its advanced features to let it work for you. It is an essential asset for any website or business owner. WordPress can get really confusing sometimes, but it's all sorted out for you. All you need to do is simply use these video tutorials and information provided in the training guide to take your business to unprecedented heights. Don't delay. Just grab the deal. Click on the buy button and grab your copy now. And also don't forget to grab a free bonuses from ZD Panda. Just take a screenshot of purchased product in the link mentioned below and send it to the official Instagram handle of ZD Panda. And there's still more to come. In addition, we are providing bonuses. If you buy today, you get free access to 3 remarkable bonuses. Bonus 1 - Cheat Sheet. Bonus 2 - Mind Map. Mind Maps will be a broad outline of the entire training program. Module number 3 - Top Resource Report. This is a comprehensive research report on using WordPress. And bonus number 4 from obviously from ZD Panda. Our excellent product comes with a special 30-day 100% money-back policy. We want you to be totally psyched about our products. If at any time within 30 days of purchasing, you are not 100% satisfied, you may return it to us for a refund. No questions asked. So, are you ready to get started? This really is a golden content and deserves a heavy price. But the objective is to enable every entrepreneur and small business owner to arm them with the expert knowledge it takes to stand up to the big guys. So, we decided to offer it to you at a very heavy discount, but only for the next few days. Actual price, $27. But for you price is. Download now. Grab the opportunity with special discounts now. So there you have it. WordPress has come a long way from being a basic blogging tool to a global platform endorsed by the biggest brands and the most popular celebrities. Its features are particularly useful for small businesses as it allows them to put up attractive and high-functioning websites without the need for a big budget or an expert developer. And it works seamlessly for big websites as well. We've covered a lot, and we want to make sure you walk away with something tangible. You've got no excuses not to get started now. All that's left for you to do is to execute. The world is yours for the taking, and we truly hope you take action after you read this. Download our Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit HD video training course today. Thank you. Stay